Hey everybody, Varun here from 𝗀𝗍𝗃𝗲, guys. Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be special. I am going to give you a step-by-step 14-day plan of how you have to practice, what are the things you need to take care of, and how you have to get your desired scores within 2 weeks. I have worked on this practice plan. I have included all the different task types which you need to practice on daily basis so that you do not waste your time and money, you utilize your time properly and get your desired scores within 2 weeks. I'll be sharing my screen. I'll tell you what you have to do on a daily basis to crack your PT test in the very first go. Let me share my screen and then I'll explain everything in detail and we'll go from there. Alright guys, this is the 14-day plan which I need you to follow in order to get your desired scores in the very first go. And there are 20 different task types in PT, out of which only 10 to 11 are important, remaining are not important. We'll be focusing more on the important ones, but we'll practice a few of the not important ones as well so that you have some idea. This plan will also cover a few mock tests, so be very careful and make sure you practice. First day, you have to start with 15 read aloud, 25 repeat sentence, and 2 written lectures. These three are from speaking. Then you will practice reading drag and drop blanks, 15 to 20, depending on how much time you have. 2 summarize spoken text and 25 write from dictations. Once you practice, just mark yes, yes, yes over here so that you can track your progress. All right. After that, once we are done with day one, we'll move on to day two. Day two, you'll again start. See, speaking is the backbone, speaking and listening. So we'll try to cover those every day. 15 read aloud again, 25 repeat sentence, 2 to 3 reader lectures. Try to cover 5 to 10 reorders if you get a chance. If you don't have enough time, you can skip this particular task. Or if you're aiming for 6, 6.5, you can skip this as well. 15 reading and writing blanks, the drop down ones. 2 summarize spoken text, 25 write from dictation. Also remember, whenever you practice summarize spoken text, write from dictation or listening blanks, any spelling mistake you make sure you note it down so that you do not repeat the same again and again. Day 3 will again start with what? We'll practice speaking. 15 read aloud, 25 repeat sentence, 2 to 3 read lectures. 15 drag and drop blanks, 15 drop down blanks. Very important, we have to practice these two every day. 2 summarize spoken text, 10 listening blanks, and 25 write from dictations. These three, whenever you practice, any spelling mistake you make, you note it down. All right. And then we'll move on to day number 4. Day number 4, what I want you to do is 20 read aloud, 25 repeat sentence, 3 describe images, 1 to 2 summarize written text, 15 reading drag and drop blanks, 10 listening fill in the blanks, 5 highlight incorrect words because we haven't practiced this so far, and 25 write from dictations. Along with this, if you have time on day 4, do one extensive speaking mock test and extensive listening mock test. You can find these extensive mock tests on languageacademy.com.au. You just need to register, and once you log in, on your left you go to extensive mock test. You can get one free extensive mock test for each module and one free full mock test as well. So day 4, take a mock test as well, sectional 1. All right. Now we'll come on to day 5, 25 repeat sentence, 3 describe images. No read aloud repeat sentence today because we have practiced those every day. 3 reader lectures, 1 to 2 summarize written text, 1 essay, 10 to 15 reorders. If you don't have time, you can skip this part, something which is not very important. 10 to 15 reading writing blanks, 2 summarize spoken text, and 25 write from dictations. Along with this, if you have time, do one writing extensive mock test. So yesterday we did speaking and listening. Today we have to do writing extensive mock test. Remember this thing on day 5. Day 6 we'll do a reading extensive mock test along with these question types. Alright, day 6, 15 read alouds, 25 repeat sentence, 3 reader lectures. These 3 are from speaking. 1 to 2 summarize written text. This is not important, this is not important, this is not important. But we'll just practice 3, 3, and 3 of these question types so that you have some idea what you have to do, so that in the given time or whatever minimum time you have to use in the test, you can at least give your best. But these are not important, but I still want you to have some idea what the questions actually are. So 3 reading MCQ single answers, 3 reading MCQ multiple answers, then 3 select missing words from listening. 15 drag and drop blanks, 10 listening fill in the blanks, 5 to 10 highlight incorrect words, and 25 write from dictations. Day 6, take 1 reading extensive mock test. Day 4 we did speaking and listening, day 5 writing, and day 6 extensive reading mock test. Till now you have done 4 extensive mock tests and your practice. Day 7 will be doing either extensive mock test if you have not done extensive mock test before. If you have done extensive mock test before, you can do a full mock test. Write down your scores over here and shortlist 4 areas where you're messing up. These 4 areas should be from the important task types. It can be read aloud, repeat sentence, reading blanks, reading writing blanks, listening summarize spoken text, listening fill in the blanks, highlight incorrect words, and write from dictation. So I've given you 10 question types. Out of these 10, the ones which you have the lowest accuracy, write down 4 areas over here because we'll be needing these areas afterwards. So if you have done extensive mock test before, do a full mock test, otherwise 4 extensive sectional mock tests. Once you're done with day 7, we'll move on to day 8. Day 8, we will spend 30 minutes each, week area 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 10 drag and drop blanks. If this is one of your weak areas, what you can do is, let's say you have covered 10 drag and drop blanks in weak area 4, you can do remaining 10 over here. Similarly for repeat sentence as well. So 20 repeat sentence, 15 read aloud, and 25 write from dictation on day 8. Day 9, week area 1, we have to do 30 minutes. Week area 2, we have to again do 30 minutes. 15 read alouds, 25 repeat sentence, 1 to 2 summarize spoken text, 15 reading writing blanks, 3 highlight correct summaries. This is not important, but still we'll practice a bit to get some idea what the question is about, and 25 write from dictation. All right. Then day 10, we'll move on to week area 3 and 4, 30 minutes each, 25 repeat sentences, 3 describe images. We haven't done these ones yet, so just practice 5 to 10 to get some idea. 1 essay, 20 drag and drop blanks. If you find drag and drop blanks alright, but you struggle with reading, writing, drop down blanks, you can do those 20 over here. Just to get some idea, 3 listening MCQ single and 3 MCQ multiple, and 25 write from dictations. Remember this thing, all right? This will be day number 10. We'll jump on to day number 11. Now, what we have to do on day number 11, we have to do a full mock test. If you don't have enough time for full mock test, you can do sectional mock test as well. So you can do 2 today and 2 tomorrow, means day after. If you can do full mock test, that would be great. Take a full mock test, write down your scores and your overall score. Again, based on the full mock test, you have to identify 4 weak areas because we have to work on them the day after. Your weak area should be from the questions which are important. Questions important are read aloud, repeat sentence, and then your both the reading blanks, summarize spoken text, highlight incorrect words, and write from dictation, and listening blanks as well. So out of these 10 question types, you have to identify 3 to 4 which you are messing up. Let's say if you're making mistakes in summarize written text, don't include that in your weak area. Now, day 12, you have to work on weak area 3, 30 minutes, weak area 4, 30 minutes again, 25 repeat sentence, 3 describe image, 1 essay, 15 to 20 reading blanks, just to get some idea, 3 MCQ single, 3 MCQ multiple. If you don't have time, don't worry about these ones, and 25 write from dictations. Whatever spelling mistake you make sure you note it down, all right? Now, we'll jump on to day number 13. Day number 13, we have to practice week area 1 and 2, which we figured out in the previous mock test, 30 minutes each. 15 to 20 read alouds, 25 repeat sentence, 2 to 3 retail lectures. If you think you have done a lot of retail lectures, you're finding it alright, do 3 describe images instead. 15 reading writing blanks, 2 summarize spoken text, 5 highlight incorrect words, and 25 write from dictations. In summarize spoken text and write from dictation, spelling mistake, make sure you note it down. Day 14, week area 3, which is the last day, and week area 4, 30 minutes, 15 to 20 read alouds, 25 to 30 repeat sentences, 2 to 3 retail lectures, 5 to 10 reorder paragraphs. If you are aiming for 6.5, you can skip this. 6.5 means 50 or 58. If you're aiming for 65 and above, make sure you practice these. 20 reading and writing blanks, 2 summarize spoken text, 10 listening blanks, and 25 dictations. These 3, make sure you maintain a spelling list. All right, make sure you maintain a spelling list, and we are done with day number 14, and it's the day we take a final mock test. Take a final mock test, note down your scores. Let's say you're aiming for 65 each. Make sure you get 65 in all the modules, then only you have to go for the test. If not, repeat one more week, take another mock test, and then see. If you're aiming for 79 plus, it will be a bit tough to get 79 in all the modules in the mock test you have got on Language Academy, because we have kept the difficulty slightly higher, because we don't really want any student to be overconfident. If you're aiming for 79, and if you get 75 in all the modules, you're good and ready for the test. If not, repeat it for another week and do a mock test, and do not go for the test unless and until you do not get your desired scores in the test. Make sure that you follow this particular plan properly. 14-day practice plan will give you a clear idea of what are the things you need to take care of, what mistakes you're making. Follow the plan, track your mistakes, and make sure you practice this on Language Academy. I'll show you where you have to practice and what are the things you need to take care of. Okay. All right. What you need to do, you need to go to the practice material. If you have got your exam within 10 days, practice monthly predictions first. Otherwise, just practice materials. Let's say you're doing reading blanks, make sure you practice not attempted ones and the ones with explanation. So let's say if you practice this, you're not really sure why this answer is the right answer. Oh, I've got it correct. Look at the explanation video. Each passage or each blank has got in-depth explanation, so make sure you watch it. At the end of the day, make sure you track your progress from daily feedback. This will tell you your accuracy, what mistakes and what are things you should be working on. When you have to take the mock test, extensive mock test you can take from here, and full mock test you can take it from here. Right? From here actually, sorry. From here and from here. You can find the templates here, prediction files here, daily feedback here. If you are an online student and attending live classes, live sessions over here, and other details as well. For PT code, you just need to jump over here. All right. This is what I want you to take care of. What I can do is I will attach the PDF to this practice plan in the template tab available on our website. You can download, if you're one of our students, you can download it from there as well, so that you have it in written form and you can, track your progress. Otherwise, you can take the screenshot or frame it by yourself as well and, practice accordingly. Make sure you practice, you track your progress, you look at the daily feedback, take extensive mock tests, take full mock test, and if you've got your exam in 10 days, work on the monthly predictions. Make sure you do not book your test, or try not to take the test if you haven't got your desired scores in the full mock test. If you have already booked it, don't stress. This plan is definitely going to help you out. Follow it religiously, track your progress, work on your mistakes. Don't practice for numbers. Let's say if I've written you have to do 20 blanks, you don't have enough time, do 10. But those 10, if you make any mistake, you should be understanding what the reason of the mistake is. Don't practice for the numbers, practice for improvement, and success will definitely be yours. That's it from this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, do like, share, and subscribe. If you want me to cover any other topic, let me know in the comment section, and I will try my best to make a video on that. If you need any help, we do have online classes. We do provide on-campus classes. We have got our campuses in India, in Australia, in Nepal as well. For online classes, we run multiple batches according to different time zones. For PT Academic, PT Core, and different test types according to students in Canada, in US, in UK, in India, in Australia. We have got multiple batches running across the day with different time zones. So that would not be an issue. If you're interested, you can just visit our website, fill the contact us form, and our team will be with you, and we'll make sure you do not waste your time and money and get your desired scores like 50,000 other successful students. If you want, you can give us a call or send us a message on these numbers as well. Now go on languageacademy.com.au, practice and take the free full scored mock test, which will give you a clear idea of where you stand, what mistakes you're making, how you have to improve, and how you have to get your desired scores. Or you can download the 𝗙𝗿𝗄𝗃 exam practice app as well. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for your support and your love and all what you have done. I will try my best to help you out, to help you get your desired scores in the shortest period of time. Thank you. I'll see you soon.